So Alright, I had no intention of making a video today, but Grant convinced me to make a video. We're in here dicking around the garage. Oh, beer! Oh, I dropped the beer. I had no intention to make a video today. I'm so sorry. But we're riding the pit bike and dicking around the driveway, and my buddy's coming over. I gotta weld this trailer for him, and we're just riding the pit bike, and I successfully dropped a hand on my first motorcycle. The other times I've tried it, I've looped every time. So we're gonna film some stuff, pit bike stuff today and dick around. This video wouldn't be possible without my roommate Matt and his pit bike, so I'll definitely put a link to his channel below. He posts a lot of 6-speed moto videos, so go check out his video or his channel. He's not home right now, and we're basically stealing his pit bike and riding it around. So, with his permission. With his permission. So I can kind of drop a hand. This is the first time I've ever tried or attempted dropping a hand successfully. I've tried it twice on my DRZs. I tried it twice for my DRZs, and both times I looped, like instantly. So I can drop a hand on a 50, kinda. So now I need to move up and do it on my 450. But I love the CRF 50. It is so much fucking fun. I know. Shout out to Draper for the drone footage. Thank you, Draper.
Draper Drip.
I'll put his channel will be in the description too. Alright, so yeah, someone was asking about how I keep my bike from like overheating, and like I said, I have a fan installed on it, but I don't use it, it's not hooked up, and I never really had a need to. I use engine ice coolant in my bike. Sorry, my hand's a little shaky. And it keeps the bike like 10 degrees colder than like not engine ice, so I highly recommend that. But at long stoplights, I just turn the bike off. But yeah, I mean, works for me.
Gotta take some dope Instagram videos.
Stop, you're in the way.
I'm in the way. Anyways, we'll show my bike now. The wait is over. The KTM is like, would you say like 98% done? It runs. It runs, and it's a good thing. So still waiting on my sumo wheels. But the whole bike got stripped, brand new, well, 2016 KTM 450 XCF. It is almost done. I'm waiting on the sumo wheels to be laced and trued. Anyways, I'll show you the bike now. Here's the bike.
You like said that, but never mind. You're doing something.
also, what am I waiting on? Oh! These are the stock plastics that come on the KTM. Quite ugly if you ask me. I think I'm gonna go with all black. Who makes it? Kyle, help me out here. I showed you. Who makes that light? Baja Designs.
Yep.
Baja Designs makes a kit for this bike. It's actually the featured bike on Rocky Mountain ATV MC. You gotta get your stator rewound, all that bull crap, whatever. That's no problem. I'll send it off. But they make a super clean, and it's like, I mean, it fits, you know, it fits the stock KTM headlight, and it's LED light, and it looks pretty badass, so going with that. As much money as it is, I'm not gonna say the price, but it's very expensive, and it's pretty. Kyle said I had 4 minutes, and I'm at 4 minutes and 27 seconds, so here we go.
Pretty good.
Finish this off, Kyle.
Ends here. I'm gonna weld this trailer. Can't see it, but it's back there. Welding up this trailer. Looking good.
This is a Juki Beat production.
Alright, that's a wrap. Basically welded in a piece of metal for a bike to go here. And he's going to cover this in wood. It should look pretty good. And yeah, got some pretty clean welds. Pretty minty dimes, can't really tell, but came out pretty good. Dope. So that about wraps up this video. A bunch of pit bike wheelies, some welding, typical garage video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one.